बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम वसल्लल्लाहु अला नबिय्यिल करीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। The theme for the present talk is the prophetic model of dawa work. How to do dawa work? We find ideological answers in the Quran, and also there is a model, that is Prophet himself. So Quran is a book of ideology and Prophet is a model. We have to know the ideology from the Quran, and we have to know the model of the Prophet and follow it. This is the right method of dawa work. You know, the Prophet was born in Mecca and he was appointed as a prophet in 610 AD. When he was appointed as a prophet, he started his dawa mission or Tawheed mission. According to the historical record, at that time he was in the cave of Hira, in the cave of mountain Hira. He returned back to his home and he told the experience to his wife. Wife said that in Mecca there is a religious scholar, very senior. His name was Warqa bin Nawfal. He was a Christian. So his wife said that we have to narrate this story to Warqa. He is a scholar of religious matters. So maybe he gives us some guidance. So Prophet met to Warqa bin Nawfal. He said that at that time, Warqa was very old and also he was a blind person. And he said that according to my knowledge, you are the prophet of this ummah, prophet of the present people. And the angel came to you in the Hira, in the cave of Hira. He was Jibreel. So some scholars believe that Warqa was the first believer or first Sahabi in the Islamic history. Although he was so old that he lived only some few months in 611 AD, but scholars believe him that he was the first Sahabi, first Mu'min. Then among women, Khadija was the first who accepted Islam. And among boys, Ali ibn Talib was the first who accepted Islam. And among senior people, Abu Bakr Siddiq was the first who accepted Islam. So they were the first group of Islamic community. What was the main message of the Prophet of Islam? It was Inzar and Tabshir. Inzar and Tabshir means he tried to warn those people about the doomsday. He made them aware of the creation plan of God. He told them that God created man, and according to his creation plan, man, according to his creation plan, the lifespan of man is divided into two parts. One small portion is in pre-death period, and the larger portion is in post-death period. And after the death, man will face the God's accountability. And according to God's verdict, some people will go to paradise and others will go to hell. So this was the main point of his dawah. You know, when he was appointed as a prophet, he invited his family members at his home. They were near about 30 people. So when they assembled, they were offered some milk, and then Prophet addressed them. Prophet said that God has appointed me as a prophet, and God has revealed to me in this Quran. So he recited some part of the Quran and asked them to join with him in his mission. But there was no positive response. All became silent. Then, after a pause, Ali ibn Talib stood up. He was at that time only 11 years old, a boy. So Ali said that, I will join you with this mission. I am with you. I offer myself. Prophet said that, you are a boy, how you can help me in this mission? Ali said, yes, although I am a boy, although I am not a wealthy person, but I will help you. So Prophet said, Anta ya Ali, Anta ya Ali, you, O Ali, you, O Ali. It was a word of strange. But you know, Ali ibn Talib became a true mu'min, and he became a great Sahabi, one of the great Sahabi people. So thus started the mission of the Prophet of Islam. Then, if you read the seerah of the Prophet of Islam, you will find that there is a main stream of dawah, main direction. That is Inzar and Tabshir. Inzar and Tabshir means telling people about the creation plan of God, about hell and paradise, about the doomsday and about hereafter, all these things. So this is, in the word of Quran, it is Inzar and Tabshir. So this was the main stream of dawah work. Then you know, there are some other problems, because Dai lives in a society, Dai lives among some people, Dai is not living in an isolation. So due to this, every time there are some other problems. I mean political problem, political issues, economic issues, and other issues. But Prophet always tried to stick to the main point, the mainstream. He never deviated his mission to other issues.